How do I look? Let me see. Makeup, flawless. Hair, fabulous. Breasts. I'm jealous. No, go.
You look beautiful. Now come here, lean forward.
With me as you just did.
Grace, this is great. There's a picture and everything. Look at that gorgeous face.
Look at the leather pants.
Look at those massive jugs.
Yeah, what's going on there?
What are you talking about? My jugs look exactly like they do in the picture.
They definitely don't. No, I mean, these are like 5 times the size. I mean, maybe it was the angle the photograph was taken. You know, the King Kong was only 8 inches tall. See, let me show you. Here, and I'm a gay man, so this means nothing. This is how big yours are. See, whereas the picture gives the illusion of, like, thisness.
You're crazy!
Grace, let me see now. I'm also a gay man, so this means nothing. Yeah, Will's right. These are definitely smaller. Oh, my God, I just got to second with Grace.
I guess they do look a little huge-esque.
Do me. See how big mine are.
Jack, no.
Come on, you got felt up.
Okay, but I'm a straight woman, so this means nothing.
Okay.
Someone's been working out.
Guilty.
Hey, Gracie, you know, while you're giving it away over there, you know. Huh?
Now, these are some knockers.
Okay, this just got weird.
Stop search a problem? License and registration, please.
Oh, sure. No problem. Need license and registration. We're totally off it, too. We won't do it again.
You should have seen when she showed customs when they asked for her passport.
Oh, honey, I'm so excited for you.
Karen, get your boobs away from my face. Hey, the guy's an artist. He was just responding to an aesthetic.
Yeah, the aesthetic of your giant hooters.
Will is right, honey. Mr. High School called because he thinks you're stacked. Now, if you actually were, you would understand the effect that they have on men, but alas, Mother Nature did not bless you as she did me.
Said the woman whose frown lines were filled with ass fat.
What's that smell?
Stan's favorite perfume. Dab of roast beef behind each knocker.
Lamb chops work too, but I'm not here to discuss beauty tips.
Well, look who it is. My supportive friend and spelling coach. Got anything written on your freakishly tinier boob?
It's only smaller when it's scared. Honey, I'm sorry, you're right. If you hadn't turned your support hose into a life vest and used your bra as a sail... I might not still be here.
That's right. So don't forget your promise.
Promise? I don't remember any promise.
You're not weaseling out of this, sister. You promised me one Friday off a month.
Talk to the boob! Oh, hey, come here. One more thing. Come here.
Will already adjusted them.
Oh, I wasn't adjusting him. Oh, you like that, do you? Yeah? Well, maybe you'll like a little of this. Yeah, you do, don't you? Huh?
Karen, Karen, what are you doing? Are you flashing that woman?
She started it.
She's nursing.
That explains the little bald man. You are not going to believe this. I just saw my boobs walking down Madison Avenue.
That's why the little label on the pill bottle says do not mix with alcohol.
Honey, I'm serious. I was on my way to Bergdorf, and I saw a woman coming up out of a hole in the ground.
The subway, continue.
And I looked right at her chest, and I said, hey, haven't I seen you somewhere before? And she said, I don't think so. And I said, I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to yous. And she said, oh, yeah, I just got them done. They're called Karen Walkers. How do I put this delicately? I think you went with Sam because he's the will that'll touch your boobies.
What? What? What are you telling me? You think I slept with Sam because he's the straight version of Will? That's ridiculous. Karen, I slept with Sam because he's cute.
Like Will.
And smart.
Like Will.
And funny.
Like you think Will is.
Stop it! This had nothing to do with Will.
Honey, I am not judging you. I mean, every woman likes to have her boobies touched now and then, right?
Stop saying boobies, okay? Okay? Now, you could not be more wrong. You have lost your mind. You live a very odd life. I don't know what... who are you?
Boobies.
I'm gonna call him.
All right. Don't be too chatty. Just make your breasts sound big.
Don? Hi, it's Grace Adler. How are you? It has been a really long time. Yes, that was a loft I did about a month ago. I'm very proud of it. Oh, yes, that was me in the picture.
Bingo.
What? Oh, I would love to. Yes, I know exactly where it is. Okay. He's part of a group show at the Zellman Gallery, and he invited me. What?
He thinks you've got big melons. So, if I were you, Grace, I would figure out a way to turn those honey don'ts into some honey-do's.
I'm unveiling my lingerie line, and I promised I'd sign some bras.
Oh, honey, sign my bra. Sign my bra.
Well, you're not wearing a bra.
Sign it.
What an honor, right next to Sheryl Crow.
I'm sorry, Lorraine. I like you, but I love Karen. We have a special bond. And let's face it, it would take 4 of your boobs to fill 1 of her cups.
Oh, Poodle, do you mean it?
Of course. Your boobs are huge.
Mine will be 2 a week from Monday.
See? This is ridiculous. I look like a ski resort.
Look at you, honey. Look. You're all grown up. Oh!
Leave it to a man to invent a bra filled with water.
Come on, everybody in your condition wears them. They make objects appear larger than they really are. Oh, honey, come on. He doesn't care about a present. He's a man. Just flash him a little boob. Oh, I'm sorry, honey. That was mean.
I'm so sorry that I'm late, but hello, kitties. What's with that?
It's a hydro bra. Water filled for extra perkiness. You would not believe the day I've had. Guys whistling at me, shouting lewd comments. It was fantastic.
P.S. Loving the boobs. Perky with all kinds of attitude. Store-bought? Right on. God, I had no idea you would be so kitten with a whip. Come on, let's touch stomachs.
Oh, my Lord. You are a complete freak. And then she said, oh, you look like you got a pair of walkers yourself. Have you been to see Dr. DiLorenzo, too? And I said, how dare you insinuate that I would go to an Italian doctor?
I don't know what you want from me.
You're my lawyer. Stop this guy.
I don't practice law anymore.
Potato patata. Start focusing on my tomatoes. You told me that you would have my back, and I just assumed that that would include my front, too.
Okay, I'll call his office and see if I can get him to knocking off your knockers.
Oh, that is such clever wordplay, she said out of pity as she tried to get out of the room.
What?
Welcome to my world, honey. Oh, so I shouldn't do this?
I'd prefer you didn't.
How about this?
No.
How about the Sugar Ray speed bag?
Karen!
Sorry, honey, but you make me nervous when you do the serious face and your mouth goes into that little balloon knot.
Oh my God! I think he likes me.
Okay.
Thank you so much, Karen.
Okay. Push me again and you die. Oh, wait, honey, I think you're caught on my brooch. Oh, I got it. Okay, there you go.
Oh my gosh. His art is amazing. Look at that.
Oh, my God.
Will, what are you doing?
I think you've sprung a leak.
What are you talking about?
I haven't been with a woman in some time, but I'm pretty sure they're not supposed to do that.
Oh my God.
Good Lord, why don't you two get a room?
Maybe that's the blessing that's come out of all of this. You know, having Stan almost, made you realize just how much love you've got for him. I guess that's the trick, to remember that love and to show it to him every day.
You're right. Maybe I'll give him a little booby later.
That sounds very romantic.